Behind your drywall, there is either wood or metal framing. The yoke assembly will be anchored to the structural member of the framing, either the bottom wood plate of the wood framing or, for metal framing, the bottom metal track. Both the bottom wood plate and metal track run horizontally along the floor. Position the yoke assembly in the desired location for installation. However, you may need to remove any existing shoe molding or any thin strip of molding against your baseboard. This is to ensure the wall mount bracket is attached flat against the wall or baseboard. Here, we are going to install the next bed at least 22 inches from the corner. This will allow for a person to easily get out of bed. Should you decide to drill a pilot hole, make sure to use a 1/8 drill bit or less in size. Do not use a drill bit greater than 1/8. This is so that the screw threads will have holding power and stripping resistance. The drill bit needs to be the same size or less than the inner shaft of the screw. When holding up the drill bit to the screw, you should see the entire screw threads on both sides of the drill bit. We suggest to pre-drill a pilot hole in the baseboard molding in a slight downward angle through one of the lower holes of the wall mount bracket. Common residential baseboard materials include solid wood, medium density fiberboard, and PVC. By pre-drilling a pilot hole with a 1/8 inch drill bit, this will make it easier to drive a screw through the baseboard molding by reducing the force you need to use when screwing into the various materials, and this will likely create an accurate path for the screw. Now attach the yoke assembly with the required screw. Now that the yoke assembly is held in place with the one screw, pre-drill pilot holes in a slight downward angle through the rest of the lower holes of the wall mount bracket. Then position the drill by raising it to create more of a downward angle and pre-drill pilot holes through the upper holes of the wall mount bracket. As this wall has wood framing, we are using the 3-inch wood screws to attach the yoke assembly securely to the bottom of the wall. If your wall has metal framing, the required screws are the 3-inch self-tapping metal screws. Now, insert and drive the rest of the screws through the wall mount bracket, baseboard molding, and drywall in a downward angle. It's important that the required screws will go into the structural member of the framing and anchor the yoke assembly.